All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 3 of Polynomial number 2. For this one here, we're going to have the function of x plus 4 squared times x plus 1. So for this one here, let me just finish writing these little dashes. All right, it's goodish enough. Actually, got to go a little further this way. All right, for this one here, we're going to go ahead and check out this. And this is going to be slightly a little different because of this squared here. We're still going to do the same thing and set everything equal to 0. So we have x plus 4 equals 0 and x plus 1 equals 0. We only have to do this one time because even if I did x plus 4 twice, it would still give me -4 both times when I subtract 4 to both sides. X is equal to -4. And then we have -1 here, -1 here, x is equal to -1. So our two points we're going to have here are going to be at -1 and at -4. This one is going to be when we do our end behavior, it's going to be, this is squared, so it's x squared times x would be x cubed again. Remember, we don't have any numbers in front right now, so we don't have to worry about it being positive, negative. So this is always going to be positive right now. And it's positive odd, which means it's going to go start from down and then go up. So it's going to be start from down and then go up. But if you notice here, this is a little bit weird because we only have 2 points. So this is not going to go all the way up and then over and then go down, because it's going to be, it's not going to be down up anymore. It's just going to be down down. So I know that when you have multiplicity, if you guys know, I don't know if you guys remember, but if you guys notice this here, this one here is x is equal to -4 multiplicity 2. That means this is gonna hold on, my dad. You guys hear that? What's that? Hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So what I was saying, because it has multiplicity 2, that means it's kind of just gonna touch. So it's still going to be coming from the bottom, just like the end behavior states. It's going to be coming from the bottom and then going up. But what's going to happen is actually just going to go up, and it's just going to touch the thing and then come back down. In order to check that, to make sure, you can check this here, -3. And we plug that in here. We have -3 plus 4 squared times -3 plus 2, or 1. This would give us a positive 1 squared, which is just positive 1, times -3 plus 1 would give us a -2. When you multiply that together, that gives us -2. So this point's going to be about right there. So we know this is actually going to come back down. It's not going to cross there. And then we're just going to kind of go back up and then go all the way through there. And then that's it. So remember, this is not exact. This is just kind of not really a guesstimation, because we are doing a little bit of math towards it by doing the end behaviors, finding the multiplicity, and then picking a point. But this is kind of like, it is kind of like a guess. I just realized I totally missed the point too. It's supposed to be like right through there. That's okay. So, but when you actually plug this into the calculator, you can get a better view of what it actually is supposed to look like, how far it's supposed to go down, how far it's supposed to go up, the angle is supposed to go up, and everything. But I kind of wanted to show you a little bit on this one. This one, we know it's a quadratic. We know it's going to be a parabola form like this. But if you notice here, the multiplicity here, when we do multiplicity, this actually kind of looks like a parabola here. And then this is linear, and this part right here kind of looks like a line right there. So even though we can't really see it, we can see the multiplicity here, and we can see this is linear, because it's just of the x variety, and this is of the x squared variety. So this makes an x squared graph, and this makes a linear graph here. So that kind of helps you kind of show what it's supposed to look like.